Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am a fancy guy. I got myself a fancy tuxedo here. I'll show you guys what this is and I will put it on probably just over my current clothes. But this is it here. So we got some pants. So these are what the pants look like. They are kind of, feels like a little cotton. Let's see what it's made of. It doesn't say here. It just says, I don't know, color, size. It's in Chinese. I don't speak Chinese. Okay. What size did I get? Doesn't say on there either. But okay, but we'll go ahead and just try this on. Might need to get it tailored to fit me perfectly, but let's see. How am I going to show you guys me? Let's aim it over here at my doorway, and that's where I will kind of stand. So I have a bunch of stuff on the floor, but let's go ahead and put this on. I have the thinnest pants on right now, so it doesn't matter putting them on over that. Okay, so there, that is currently on. And then I have the jacket here. So let's see how this will go. And check this out. Is this a stylish jacket or what? Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this. Oh, it's buttoned up. Okay, so here we go. Black on black. I am Johnny Cash. Okay. Oops. That fell down. Okay, but here we go. So this is how I look. And here, let me go ahead and move you all back, way back here, to get a better view of the Neil. Okay, so here is the view of the Neil. Let's actually aim you down a bit. Okay, so if I stand back here and move some of my stuff out of the way, you can get a good idea of it. I have the black pants on, and they are like tuxedo pants. They are very, what they are, the suit pants kind of ones with the belt loops and all. I have the jacket. I have my microphone on this shirt, so I kind of have that on there. But look at this sweet looking studs on here and everything. How cool do I look? I mean, do I look good or what? So this is a really neat tuxedo kind of jacket. If I have a fancy occasion that it's kind of a fun fancy occasion, I would wear this for. Not necessarily going to wear this to any friends' weddings or anything, but you get the idea. It's cool, and it buttons up through here. These buttons will go over that side there. It looks like, so I can button it up like that. But for right now, I'll leave it open. It's got little pockets, fake pockets over here. So these ones don't really, it looks like you could cut them open, I guess, if you really want to use them. It does become a pocket, but they are closed. On the pants, we've got just normal pockets on there and some pockets in the back as well. So it is a nice little setup here. So I'm going to say this is cool. And it came out of the package, not really wrinkled or anything. So I think I look pretty good. I could almost wear this, ready to go. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.